So today we are going to discuss about operators, and our first operator is arithmetic operator. So here we have mean. Click write mean, then control plus space. We are able to receive this method. Click here. Automatically this complete method is going to create here. Otherwise you have to write public static void p. You all have to write like this. Sys out system dot out dot print, and then, right, in this way we can write here operators. So first I am going to write here in Java how we can right, and we need to write here so we have operator arithmetic operators. First of all, if you want to create single line comment line, we need to write like this way: double forward slash. These are forward slash, these are backward slash. So in this we can write anything: plus, minus, multiply, divide, and this percentage. This percentage is basically provided to meter, or we can say this one is a modulus operator as well. Alternate name. Modulus operator. If you want to create multiple comment line, then this way you have to create forward slash inside like this way, star. Now plus, minus, multiply, these are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on, right, and so on. Now to perform these operations we need some variables. Let's suppose int x equals to 10, comma y equals to 20, and there is one more variable z. So this way we can create variables. Once again I am going to repeat that variables are those they are going to initialize and having some memory, right? There are two tasks are going to perform here. One is initialization, another one is memory allocation. Means we have initialized, we have to initialize. We can create variable like now z, cz. Is there is any value in z? Yes or no? Is there is any value in z?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good. No. Right? If I want to print this line, let me write system dot out dot println. I'm going to print the value of z. Right? It is going to give error as well. If I'm going to run this program, it is going to give error. Error is like variable z might not have been initialized. Means it is compulsory, we have to initialize each and every variable, otherwise Java is going to give error. Java programming is going to give error. Clear? And now second thing we have here, how we can initialize? We can directly initialize with the help of arithmetic operator. So here we can write addition is plus z. Means plus is basically used. When we use plus, there are two type of operators. This is plus operator. Again, this is plus operator. If we are using plus operator in SOP, means system out println. SOP means system out println. Then it plays, then in SOP, plus operator, in SOP plus operator concatenate. Concatenate, right? In S, concatenate the data. Concatenate the data. Plus operator, it is going to concatenate the data. Concatenation means we have, this is my string data, double quotes. Whenever you see any data present in double quotes, that becomes string. We call that part is string. Second one we have here z. Z is integer. We have two different data types, so it is going to combine, concatenate. It is going to join both the values. Right here in SOP, plus operator concatenate the different data. I can write here different type of data. Different type of data. This is the first statement. Second statement is like, let me copy this one. Now again, here I am going to perform like x plus y. What output we are going to receive here? Let me write in bracket as well, or I can remove the brackets. There is no issue. Now you can see, I'm going to run this code. How we can run? Click here, run arithmetic operator.java file, or we can have here right click. Is there here? Run. Right click, run this file. This file is visible to everyone. After right click, let me reshare. What we need to do, right click. Now this pop-up window we have received here. Click here. Again our program is going to execute. So you can see our output here in terminal. So first time they are going to concatenate both the things. Second time it is going to perform the addition. If the type is same, it is going to perform its own duty, like addition duty. It is going to perform its addition duty. If type of data is same, then it will do its basic, it is going to perform its basic nature. Basic nature is that it is going to do addition. It performs add operation. Clear? Anyone having any doubt in this plus operator? No. If I am going to write here y minus x, now subtraction, right? Subtraction, we have z. Subtract the value. Next, z equals x into y multiplication. One more thing, semicolon. What semicolon is going to play? Semicolon is basically terminate the statement. It is used to terminate the statement. It is used to terminate the line. Almost every time we will use to terminate the line. In same way, multiplication, multiply, divide, I'm going to perform all the operations now. Y by x. X by y is fine. Divide. Because one information I want to show you here. And the last operation is remainder. Z equals x, like first I am going to perform y modulus x, remainder x. Second time I am going to perform another one, x modulus y. Both operations I am going to apply here. Here we have z, it's a remainder. Right, or we can say modulus operation. Now I want to ask one question from everyone. I have x value 10 and 20. What's the value of addition? Type a message on chat box. Be active now. All the students are going to type 30. Very good. Okay, fine. And if I am going to perform subtraction, subtraction is 10. 20 minus 10. If anyone write 22, why so 22? So answer is 10. Multiplication is 200. What about divide? What about divide? What value we are going to receive here? 2. Very good. We are going to receive 2. Or now what about? So how 2 is going to come? First tell me. What value of x is? X having 10 value. Y having 20. And the output is 2.
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. Okay. Or we can say 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Now the next one, what the value of remainder? What the value of remainder? Again, y is 20, x is 10. 0. Very good. And what about now? X remainder y. If not no idea, then just write no idea. Okay? Ni. Or you can write no. Very good. Shut down. So now, now, first of all, I am going to execute this code because there are two mistakes we have. One is at this point and one is at this point. I will let you know. This is the power of programming. We have to understand the logic behind each and every part. Now the output is addition is 30, absolutely right. Subtraction is 10, absolutely right. Multiplication 200. Divide is 0. Remainder this is 0. And last remainder we have received 10. Right? So I have written here 2 question marks which I have now I am going to. Some students mentioned this is 0.5. Right? And here there is no idea about, right? Now understand the concept of both the two. If you have any variable having integer data, this x is my integer, x is my integer, or z is also my integer variable, right? So both are having integer values. So after dividing, it is going to store only integer value. After dividing, it is going to store integer value, not decimal part, because we have the data type int, because type is int. Clear? Whenever you are performing this thing, you will say 0, because sometimes you are going to see this type of error in your programming. We have written our logic is correct or wrong. We have written correct logic, but runtime error we have found here 0, right? Runtime error we have received here because that is going to store only integer value, that is 0. And now about remainder. Whenever we have numerator is small as compared to denominator, means basically we are dividing. After dividing, we are going to receive what value? After dividing, we are going to receive remainder 10. Numerator value we are going to receive. But if it is in reverse order like y, then it is going to give 0. Clear?
सर डिवाइड वाला 0 कैसे आएगा?
क्योंकि ये कंप्लीट डिविजिबल हो जाएगा, मतलब कि रिमाइंडर निकाल तो रिमाइंडर ही रहे हैं ना.
नहीं, ये डिवाइड वाला x अपॉन y जो है 10/20 होगा.
ओके, डिवाइड वाला.
यस सर.
आई विल रिपीट वंस अगेन.
यस सर.
राइट. सो यहाँ पे हमने रिमाइंडर जो निकाला वो क्या आया? 0.
ये 0 आएगा ये.
ठीक है. इसमें क्या आया? रिमाइंडर 10. और दूसरे में क्या हुआ हमारा? हमने डिवाइड किया 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. That is feasible. We can understand here we need to use 0.5 because we need to carry 1 0. After that it is going to divide by 100 like this way, right?
Yes sir.
So this is the general process to do division. But here z is a integer type data. It is only store integer data. It is going to store only integer value. That's why. Let me show you one more. Now, let me change the data type of this. Now, this is my integer one. Here I am going to write double. Right? Now, once again, I am going to run this code. Let me save. I have not saved this code. That's why. Now, the output becomes 0.5 because double is that type of data which is going to store, which will take decimal values. That's why, but integer is only going to store integer values. Clear everyone?